Hi and welcome to episode number 432 with whatsforchow.com. These deep-fried Mexican spiced chicken wings are out of this world. By adjusting the quantity of cayenne, you can make the dish as hot or as mild as you like. Starting with the Mexican spice blend, place the cumin seeds, dried coriander leaves, paprika, dried oregano, cayenne pepper, and dried garlic granules in your spice grinder, along with 2 teaspoons of salt. Putting the powdered ingredients into the grinder along with the ingredients that require grinding helps the grinder achieve a finer result. Unpack the chicken wings, cut away the wing tips and discard them. Then slice through the center joint of each wing. Sprinkle some of the spice blend over the base of a container and pack in a single layer of the wings. Sprinkle more of the spice followed by another layer of wings. Continue with this until all of the wings are packed in. Sprinkle any remaining spice over the top, put the lid on and give it all a good shake up. Put the wings aside for 30 minutes to marinate. Place the all-purpose flour into a bowl and 4 well-whisked eggs into another. Sprinkle a little of the flour over a platter. This is where the coated wings will set, and a layer of flour prevents the coating from sticking to the plate and getting damaged. Dredge the wings in the flour to coat them all over. Dunk the wings in the egg to wet all of the flour. Then it's back to the flour to get a good solid coating all over. Transfer the wings to the platter and allow the coating to set for 20 minutes. Half fill a large pan with oil and heat this to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the wings into the oil and allow them to fry for 6 minutes, turning once halfway through. Use a slotted spoon to lift the wings from the oil and drain any excess oil on kitchen paper. Serve the wings immediately with the accompaniments of your choice. Thanks for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you again tomorrow.